Welcome to Joyce's Sweet Kitchen. In today's episode, I will be showing you how I make this my delicious okra soup. So come with me and let's get started. So let me take you through my ingredients. Here I have my okra that I bring out from the freezer. I have washed it and I put it inside the freezer. That is what I normally do when I buy things. I preserve it inside my freezer so that anytime I want to use it, I can use it, because I don't normally use it every day. So I don't buy it every day. I buy the things and I put it inside the freezer. I have my diced ginger, onions and garlic, 2 habanero peppers that I will be blending with the okra, 1 onions that I will be dicing with the okra as well. I have the medusa fish, some seafood. I have cow skin and tripe, cow tripe that I will use it. This one is the one that okra that I dice and I put inside the freezer. This one I put it inside the freezer like that. So that's putting this one with this together. Here I have palm oil, crayfish powder, salt to taste, rosemary that I will use it to cook the meat, seasoning cube, thyme that I will use it to cook the meat as well. I don't know whether I introduced this. This is baby spinach that I bring out from the freezer as well. So first of all, we have to cook the meat. So I have put my meat and the ginger, garlic and the onions together. I'll be putting my rosemary, my thyme, 1 seasoning cube, and some salt to taste. This liquid will be the basic of the soup. So I add 1 liter of water to it. Stir it together. Allow it to cook until the meat is soft. While this is cooking, I will be grating my okra. So as you can see, our meat is softened. I added another extra 1 liter of water to it. So what I will do, this is the blended okra and onions and pepper. So I'll be adding it to the soup. We'll be adding this one as well. Give it a good stir. I will be adding extra water to it because I like it when it's more lighter. So I will be putting my palm oil. Allow it to cook for at least 2 minutes. As you can see, I allow it to cook for 3 minutes. So what you are going to do now, add your crayfish powder, your remaining seasoning cube, stir together. Then taste for salt. We'll be adding extra salt. Okay. So I will be putting my fish and my seafood now. Together. Allow it to cook for additional 3 minutes. While it's cooking, don't cover it. Allow it to cook. When you cover it, the dryness will fade away. But if you don't cover it, the dryness will still remain there. Okay guys, as you can see, after 3 minutes, it is ready. So it's time for us to off our gas and allow it to cook and then we'll taste it. This is it guys. As you can see, I will be eating it with akasa agidi today. You can see my okra soup, you can see everything. It's very light. That is the way I want it. It's very rich. Let's look at it. Very sweet. You can see the seafood. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video, share to your friends and family. Give it a like. Press all bell notification so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified. And follow me in my other social media platform in the description box. And thank you for watching. God bless you and bye bye.